Hello everybody, we are in Lahore, Pakistan, and I'm actually on the streets and I haven't ate anything, but I'm really thirsty and a lot of people have been eating this, or drinking this, and this is gonna be my first time trying, I think it's called Lassi, so this will be my first time, and I definitely this will be a great experience because I see this on the shop and I've always wanted to try it, so that's all. Assalamu alaikum. Can I, one order one?
Yes.
Kitna rupiah? How much?
Sugar kind?
One.
Okay.
One cup.
100 rupees.
100 rupees?
Yes.
Okay, please. 100 rupees. Perfect. So, you guys are always busy over here. It's a very busy location. There's no ice, right? No ice.
Okay.
No ice. This is the first time I've actually seen them making this, and he's putting it inside. It's kind of cool to see this for the very first time. So he's putting it in and you can see the juices coming out. That looks really good already. Is it very sweet? Yes. Very sweet? Lots of sugar?
Yes.
So this is gonna be my first time trying this in Lahore, Pakistan. He's mixing it up. And does he put anything else inside or that's it? No sugar. Oh, what is that? What is that?
Black salt.
Black salt. Interesting. Okay, first time. Oh wow, that looks really good. Oh, he put it in a cup. Awesome. This is my first time trying this, so hopefully we'll see how good it is. We're gonna see. You said 100?
Yes.
Do you have change? Hold on, let me see if I have, for 500? Let me see, there you go. There you go. So, my first time trying this, so we'll see how it is. Salud, shukriya. Oh my God, wow, that's actually really good. Wow, so it kind of tastes like you can taste the sugar.
Wait a second, I can go.
Okay, shukriya. You can taste the sugar, but man, I can't even explain it. It's like a cucumber sugary lemonade, like a lemonade, but really good. That's my first time trying it. This is good. This is really good. Aapka naam kya hai?
Hamza.
Hamza? Waleed, nice to meet you. Aapka naam kya hai? Rubia? Usman? Salam, Waleed. Everybody's so friendly over here, and man, this is really refreshing. If I need this on like a hot day, this is what I would drink 100%. And hopefully there's some food on this street. Maybe I can eat something. Where's the best cheese paratha? Cheese paratha. The paratha. Nowhere? The bread with the cheese. Okay. I think it's over there. I'll probably try to grab some over there. Shukriya. That is really good. Really refreshing. Quenches your thirst. And I've never tasted anything so good in my life. And this gentleman is walking by. And oh my God, that looks really good. We finally made it. Can I get... Where's the cheese paratha?
Cheese paratha roll ye dekho.
Cheese paratha is where? Oh, right there.
Bihari wala tikka wala.
Is that the roll? Oh, okay. It's not the flatbread, is it?
Chicken tikka.
Oh, I don't want chicken tikka. I just want cheese paratha.
Cheese paratha.
Just cheese paratha.
Paratha roll karna hai ya paratha karna hai?
Just regular paratha, not the roll. No roll.
Ye wala hai.
Oh, that's too big. Is that jumbo? No. Paratha. Can I get one for him too, please? One for him. Come on. Order something, please. You drove me here, please. Please. Order something. No. Order him. Get him something, please. Please.
Thank you.
No. I'm taking care of you, please. You drove me here. Pick something.
Ye wala karna hai, ye wala. Sada paratha ene karna hai. Ye wala. Chicken paratha ne cheese paratha.
One cheese paratha. That's it.
Ye wala. Chicken cheese paratha. Jaise plain paratha.
Yeah, that like this cheese. Yes, cheese. And then whatever he wants. I'm trying to make sure since you drove me, I'm going to take care of him. What?
बहुत महंगा है. You money 5,000 520,000.
How much?
5,000.
5,000?
500.
500.
500 one piece.
One piece. Okay. Okay, no. Okay. We're gonna go. Shukra. No, it's okay. I'll go with him. He knows where to go.
You're 4 pieces, 4.
No, it's okay. That's a lot.
500 रुपए उन्हें कितने रहे?
Usually I come here and I get it for almost 200. That's a lot.
200 रहेगा? वीडियो बना रही है. नहीं उन्हें लेना है यार. वीडियो बना रही है. Okay.
400 का 4.
She the video. 340 का.
Huh?
340. 340. 340 enter.
340? It said 340.
340 one piece.
For paratha.
roll.
One paratha.
One paratha.
340.
जी.
Okay, and then what does he want?
ठीक. दो पराठे के अंदर.
Do paratha. Okay, how much? How much?
पराठा है उन्हें.
Cheese paratha, do cheese paratha. Kitna rupiya? How much?
वो 380 का. 680.
680? Okay, that's fine. And then can I get, do you have soda? Soda? Yeah.
मिल जाएगा.
Diet Coke or Diet Coke and whatever he wants.
Okay.
Coke? There you go, Coke.
दो का. यार पैसा के अंदर करते हैं. दो चीज पराठा रोल पैक up.
Okay. So they try to charge you a lot more and then they lower the price. Probably because there's no reason. I really don't care.
High price.
That's the highest price. How much can you get a regular cheese paratha?
regular cheese paratha.
200.
200.
200.
150.
150 to 200. So they try to charge me a lot more.
Brand, Karachi brand.
Karachi. So because I guess it's just a restaurant. I've never been there. So this is the restaurant right here. So they try to charge me a little bit more. But it is what it is. No problem. How much was the total? They said 6.
10 minute your order.
How much? Rupee?
Rupee 600.
600? 600. I'm gonna take my money out now. Can you hold this right here? Thank you. So it was 680. The gentleman got it for 680. Just aim it at me. There we go. So 680. And so I'm gonna give him 1,000 right here. And then hopefully 680 that's all it is. Okay. Total came out to 680, right? 680.
Four. यार 680 रुपए बने हैं ना. पराठा रोल लेने लगवाया है. 680 अने 380 कितना हो गया? 760.
So 600 and
हाँ 760 हो गए. ये देखें. 760 rupees.
with drink and everything.
No drink.
No drink?
खाली पराठा.
Only paratha.
2 piece paratha 782 rupees.
We paid a lot more, brother. Okay. And then how much with the drinks?
Drink बोतल में कितने पे? 160.
160? Give it to me for free.
अब ना.
Brother, you charge me a lot for that. First you said 500.
एनकार बोतल मेरे इसी याद है यार. अच्छा बोतल बोतल याद है. तो पराठा लग गया. पराठा लग गया ले आया. पराठा लग गया.
What did you tell him?
पराठा आ रहा है.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Shukriya. It's funny, it said 1,000, so they first said 1,000 for one cheese paratha, and then they lowered the price. It was no, he said 600, and then he lowered it to 500, and they lowered it to 400, so that's it. Assalamu alaikum. आप कैसे हो?
शुक्र अल्लाह का.
शुक्र. आपके नाम क्या है?
या
आपके नाम क्या है?
नाम शान.
Nam K. Is that how you say it? Nam K? Sean? Oh, Sean. Waleed. Nice to meet you. Waleed. Assalamu alaikum. So it seems like everybody's super friendly, and it's a great country to be at. But sometimes when you're a tourist, to buy cheese paratha for that much is a lot, because I've seen what YouTubers usually pay for cheese paratha. So we'll just wait for the cheese paratha and see how good it is. So I finally got my food. Got my cheese paratha. I also got one for the driver since he took care of me. And it was 760.
10 रुपए रहत ही कर दे. 50 ਨੂੰ 400 को ਇਹਨੂੰ ਬਕਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਦੇ. 300 50 ਮੈਂ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ. 10 ਰਹਿਤ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਦੇ. 780 760 ਬਣੇ ਆ ਨਾ. 760 ਬਣੇ ਆ. 50 ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਲ 300 ਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ.
So that's 200, 760, 8, 9.
760 बने हैं ना. 10 रुपए रहत करके तू इन्हें समझ ले कि 300 ही बकाया देना. ठीक है.
Good. Shukriya. Thank you. Have a good day. Let's go somewhere to eat it. I already got some, brother. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Thank you.
Video.
What?
Yeah. video.
I love Pakistan. Thank you guys. Shukriya. Such amazing people regardless. Very nice. Now we're gonna go somewhere to eat it. Just park anywhere you want. Park anywhere you want. We'll eat it outside.
Stadium and the Pakistan team. Stadium.
Oh, nice. I just went to the Pakistan.
Pakistan, New Zealand.
Yeah, I just came from the game. I was in Karachi. I watched it. I went to the game.
Stadium.
Oh, the stadium.
Stadium.
Wow, it's really nice. And that's what I like about Pakistan is like, the thing about it is everybody is so friendly. I finally got my cheese paratha, so we're gonna try it for the very first time. They gave me some sauce and we'll check it out. So stay tuned for some tasty cheese paratha. Chalo, chalo. So I finally got my first one. I'm gonna have the camera hold it right here. Let me see, right there, shukriya. And then that's the sauce, I guess. And this is my first cheese paratha. Wow. What's inside it? Oh my God. Oh, there's chicken in there. Okay, let's try it. Put in the sauce. First time. All right, right here. Cameraman got me almost. There you go, a little bit higher. All right, first time cheese paratha. Oh wow. Whoa. There's actually chicken in there. This is probably the best thing I ever had. There's chicken in it, there's grilled chicken, there's cheese, there's onions. I've never had anything like this. This is the most delicious thing I've ever had. Wow, this is good. Wow, and there's chicken in there too. Oh my God, really good. Wow. So you can definitely taste the cheese. The chicken is like a spicy chicken, and it's just hot off the grill. And then you got onions inside, and you got the cheese, and the cheese really does good. And there's like a little little sauce in it. But man, all the flavors go well together, especially with the cheese. This is the most delicious thing I've ever had so far in Pakistan. Wow, it's like a chicken cheese paratha. Really good, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Go ahead and go, yours. No, that's yours. That's not me.
Okay.
I'm leaving it for you. That is the most delicious thing I've ever had. Please, please, shukriya. Watch out for the sauce. Thank you, thank you. So, the sauce is just, the sauce is like oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, shukriya. Here, let me get the sauce. Thank you, thank you. I dripped the sauce accidentally, but he had a napkin, thank God. But this sauce is like it tastes like a Mexican mild sauce. It's really good. Wow. And the most delicious thing ever. The chicken is so tender, and just the onions and the sauce is everything, dude. Hands down, the best thing I've ever had. This is the best. It was amazing. Wow. I don't want to be a mess, so I'm gonna pick up the cheese. Thank you. And is there a garbage here? Okay, garbage here. But that was a lot of cheese I dropped, man. Wow. And look at the traffic. It is insane over here. Everybody's driving. Everybody's cruising around. Is this why is everybody here?
Liberty roundabout.
Why do they have flags
Imran
up?
Khan party.
Oh, Imran Khan parking? Oh, wow. So they got all the media out here. It's super busy. This is probably one of the busiest streets I've seen in Pakistan. But wow, amazing. You gotta love Pakistan's flavor. But there's so many people out here. It's ridiculous. And it's well developed city, as you can see. It's really nice. Assalamu alaikum. Of course, no one wants to say hi to me at all, but it's okay. You honestly can't stop eating it. Oh, most best thing ever. Wow. Brother, wow. Shukriya. And you know that's yours. Okay, don't forget.
No camera.
You know, oh, no camera? Okay, no problem, no camera. Amazing. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this quick series of good food. Ladies and gentlemen, that was one of the best cheese chicken paratha. This was something different, but the sauce was immaculate. I hope you guys enjoyed. But now I'm getting a tour, so my tuk-tuk driver, amazing guy, is driving me around and showing me all of Lahore, Pakistan, and I gotta admit, I'm super excited to show me. I guess we're in Liberty, so we're going right now, and wow, it's unbelievable. There's so many people here, it's ridiculous. So I hope you guys know that it's very safe to drive these things. I have protection. As you can see, we almost got cut off, but amazing, very good, safe driver, using the hand gestures. I love it, and just a beautiful, wow. And they're playing all the music out here. It is busy as hell. Wow, amazing, it's crazy. And we got horses on the street. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a big horse. Oh my God, beautiful. That is awesome. That is awesome to see the horses. Look at that. Oh my God, that's crazy. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, that is insane. I don't want to get kicked by that horse.
Right?
No. Nay. Shukriya. I don't want to get kicked. I get scared being behind horses because I've seen somebody, and I just want to be careful. But wow, what an amazing journey. I ate really well, and it's so beautiful in Lahore. Like
Stadium, main Qaddafi Stadium.
the stadium. Which stadium? The cricket stadium?
Cricket Stadium.
Are we going over there now?
Pakistan World Cricket Stadium, Qaddafi Stadium.
Pakistan facing England, right?
Yes.
Yes, Pakistan versus England. Wow. Oh, this is the stadium. Okay. Wow. This is awesome. So this is the sports complex. First time I've ever been in a sports complex, and let's check it out. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So this is the first time I've ever been to this. As you can see, this is going to be a hell of an experience. We're driving to the stadium, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's right here. Oh, so this is, oh, okay. Training center for cricket, awesome. So they have their training center for cricket. Wow, this is insane. And there's so many people out here. The streets are all developed, really nice area. And wow, okay, so they're playing right now. So cricket's, if you guys don't know, cricket is a really big thing out here. That was part of my cheese paratha. I wish they gave me a napkin, but what an amazing place. That's a restaurant right there, I'm guessing. So they got nice restaurants out here. Overall, super developed, super nice, and just a lot of greenery and scenery. So super beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
अंदर जाने का गेट केड़ा है कदाफी दा ये गेट अंदर है पार्क के अंदर जाना है.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to tell my tuk-tuk driver to go back to the hotel, and then I will see you guys soon. Remember to live your dreams to the fullest, because tomorrow is never promised, inshallah. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.